This is a 2012 Buick LaCrosse. This four-door sedan has a 6-speed automatic transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Its top features and packages include the convenience package, a navigation system, Bluetooth cell phone integration, a rear-view camera, voice recognition, a sunroof, the air shutter system, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: the IntelliLink infotainment system, an iPod-ready stereo system so you can take your music with you, XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, leather seats, rear curtain airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, rear seat child-proof door locks, memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignments with the push of one button. And this vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Contact us today and schedule your opportunity to see this vehicle in person.